Ginkolin Flava.
What's up, HD Squad? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Debonae. We're going to be doing an herb today, which is going to be Gingko Biloba. But before we do, you know we share music, so let's get started. Odessa was amazing at Coachella. One of the best performances I've ever been to. I was shook. This is my song right here. It's the perfect yoga music. Ask the yoga teachers, ask the yoga community, fam. You'll just be in your flow. So guys, today we're going to be talking about the herb Gingko Biloba, and it is also known as maiden tree. And so you'll probably recognize this. I know I actually see a lot of Gingko Biloba around where I live here in Southern California, because a lot of people use it as an ornamental tree, but the leaves look like little duck feet and they'll be pale yellow to like an autumn green color. So they're kind of somewhere in between that. But what we use Gingko Biloba for is for memory and brain function and herbalism. Just a fun fact, Gingko Biloba is actually the oldest known tree on Earth, also known as a living fossil. So we use Gingko Biloba a lot for the brain and for specifically conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's, and it's because it has certain constituents that actually help reverse circulation blockages that happen in the brain. And I'm gonna try my best to pronounce these. Ginkolin flavoglycosides, Ginkolin flavoglycosides, and ginkgolides. So these two constituents found in Gingko Biloba have been the only two constituents found anywhere on Earth that can't be reproduced in a lab that have reduced circulation blockages in the brain by up to 38%. This herb is used a lot by people who have dementia or who have Alzheimer's because it's said to reverse the effects of that. So there will be more blood flow to the brain so you can have better memory. And this is one of the reasons why Gingko Biloba is also in my Happy Travels formula. If you remember me talking about that in my last video, I added Gingko Biloba to my Happy Travels formula because it's a formula that I wanted to use to facilitate well-being and be able to focus and overall longevity, stamina, endurance, and energy throughout the day. And I notice when I have the most energy is when I have a lot of mental energy. This is the herb for using to study, so especially if you have long projects that you do. This is going to be great for people that edit videos or that work in tech. I know a lot of times it's hard to stay focused when you have these type of jobs, so a lot of people turn to coffee. You can actually turn to Gingko Biloba instead. Take about 2 capsules in the morning and you should definitely notice a difference. Ginkgo is also said to have a lot of antioxidants that also help with macular degeneration and help to keep your eyes nice and healthy. It also counters kidney illness, excessive urination, and water retention, and for overall better cell energy. Alright guys, so let's just do a quick recap of what Gingko Biloba does. In Western herbalism, Gingko Biloba's most popular use is for the brain and actually increases blood vessel and capillary elasticity, which means that the blood can flow more freely to the brain. What this does is it helps to improve your memory, your function, your focus, and your mental energy levels. That is one of the most popular uses that you're going to find for Gingko Biloba, but it also helps to bring back the balance if you're having ear ringing or tinnitus. And because this herb also has an effect upon the kidneys, it actually helps the kidneys to release excess water. So if your body's maybe going through some edema, like excess fluid retention, you may want to try that. It also helps to lessen excessive urination and helps to work as a general tonic for the kidneys so your kidneys function better. We tend to look at the things that have been around the earth for so many years unaffected by things like parasites, by molds, by the ice age. Gingko Biloba has survived this, and so we also take it as a general tonic, and it's used as a youth tonic to keep you young, to keep your body in a pristine state of having a lot of stamina, having a lot of energy and endurance, and really just an overall tonic for your body, especially when it comes to your heart, your brain, and your kidneys. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video. That's all I've got to share with you today about Gingko Biloba. And if you found this video, hopefully you know what to do. Click that like button, remember to subscribe. I'll put that right there. The next video will be right here. And I'll see you guys on Wellness Wednesday when we do some yoga. Love you. Bye.